Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to display the player's name on the June's Journey application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's my place, and you can find different buttons in the home screen. New, go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can find different buttons. Go to the social section, the second, and here you can find the first option, the show players custom names. Actually I use this function, but if you want to disable that, just click to the square green icon. New is disabled, and if you want to enable, just click that and it will be green. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.